Understanding Plain Omelette, a simple English learning guide. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a simple, yet common phrase in English, plain omelette. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your English skills, this video is perfect for you. Let's dive in and learn together. An omelette is a popular dish made from beaten eggs quickly cooked with butter or oil in a frying pan, usually folded around a filling such as cheese, vegetables, meat, or a combination of these. It's a versatile dish enjoyed in many cultures around the world. When we add the word plain before omelette, it changes the meaning slightly. Plain, in this context, means without any additional ingredients or fillings. So, a plain omelette is simply an omelette made without cheese, vegetables, meat, or any other fillings. Just the eggs. Understanding phrases like plain omelette is important because they are commonly used in everyday conversations, especially in restaurants or when discussing food preferences. Knowing how to use and understand these phrases can make your English communication more fluent and natural. To help you get comfortable with the phrase, here are a few example sentences. 1. I would like a plain omelette with toast, please. 2. Do you prefer your omelette with vegetables? Or do you like it plain? 3. For a healthier option, I usually go for a plain omelette. That's all for today's lesson on plain omelette. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your journey of learning English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using this phrase in your daily conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.